Can I ask people to take their seats? We're ready to start, and I want to welcome everyone. Good morning. My name is Michael Rosenblatt, and it's my great honor and privilege to co-chair today's Galien Forum, which I'm doing together with Susan Desmond-Hellmann. And I have to say, I'm just so pleased that we can be together. It's been 2 years. We're doing this hybrid with most of the people here in person and some of the people participating virtually. The Galien Foundation, which is responsible for today's program and tonight's awards and ceremony, has come through the challenges of the pandemic strong and healthy and engaged. And there's no better indication that that's the case than the program that we have set up for you today. The topics, I think, are very timely. Some of them are controversial, and they sit at the convergence of science and medicine, commerce, and policy. But they all focus on the perpetual need for innovation to address unmet medical needs. The issues that we're going to discuss today and hopefully debate with your participation are crucial to the future of our industry. And once again, we've assembled a team, a real A-team of speakers in the world of biopharma, devices, government, and academia, including 2 terrific keynote addresses, which will come from Tony Fauci and from Ken Frazier. I think we all know that this is really a special moment in history. Our industry is literally saving the world. But we aren't doing this alone. Collaboration has made this extraordinary period of invention and progress possible. The reputation of the biopharmaceutical industry, after years of decline despite its contributions, is rising again in esteem, in the esteem of the public and of policymakers. But it's not a straight line ascent, and we need to remember that. Expectations now for what science can do and how fast it can do it are very high, and we need to do everything we can to meet those expectations. And how we handle the huge, complex issues, including ethical issues, that accompany this kind of progress is going to be crucially important. We're facing challenges like health equity at home, and meeting the needs of the developing world abroad, and we will be under ever-increasing scrutiny. So our moral compass is going to be tested, and we can't afford to go in the wrong direction. And we have an example in a parallel track of what's happening in the tech industry and social media. And you can see what happens when the public begins to lose trust of your industry. So all these topics are actually going to be explored today. The challenges that are here are on the horizon, including keeping innovation going, effectively stopping the next deadly epidemics in the developed or in developing world, inventing therapies to treat the other kinds of epidemic which are slow-moving, like Alzheimer's, cancer, cardiovascular disease. Fortunately, there's a whole array of new therapeutic modalities like living cells, messenger RNA, gene editing, et cetera, and they're going to be part of the solution. And again, they're all going to be discussed. And then finally, the Galien is celebrating its 50th year, so this is our Jubilee year. And so I would tell you, let your mind wander a little bit during the course of the day and try to imagine what the next 50 years will bring and what will be the topics at the Galien Forums of the future. So thanks for being here. As always, we're going to value your participation. And I'm now going to turn to Marianne Risk to chair the first panel. Please, thank you.